Hello everyone, this is Jeremiah, Ann, and Jasmine with A Positive Approach to Teen Health, and we are excited because we just got done dropping off boxes of food items to people all throughout the region as part of our Path Cares outreach program. We are so incredibly grateful for the opportunity to reach out to our community, especially during these trying times. The Path Cares project is a collective effort made with other community partners who are also passionate about educating our youth and showing them that we provide more than just health education. We also care about the communities that we serve. Now, we ask that you join us in getting the word out about the importance of whole person health, safety, and a positive outlook on their future. Thank you so much for your support. We look forward to hearing from you and from all of us at A Positive Approach to Teen Health. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay positive.